We all make those shameful mistakes we wish to take back, right? Meet Time Saver, our web-based tool to hop back in time and do things right. You can make a one-time purchase for a single hop to turn a single wrong into right. Or opt for an annual subscription if you tend to mess things up often. Subscribe now, and if you regret it, you can hop back in time to unsubscribe.
Yeah, that was a fake commercial, but do you want to create videos like it? Our 8-hour workshop is your ticket to unleashing your imagination. With 7 curated AI and web-based tools at your fingertips, you will have the power to bring your ideas to life. No past experience? No problem. Just bring your passion and motivation for creativity. Come and experience the ViKKi Academy workshop and learn all you need to know to create your own videos. Check the description for contact information.